the physical connection part of this experiment. Firstly, we will connect the two RF ports of Y230. TX1 and RX1 are respectively connected to two 5G antennas. Then, we will insert the TF card containing the boot bin file into the TF card slot of YR30. Then adjust the dip switch to TF card start mode. Then insert the Type-C cable into USB 3.0. Insert the other end into the USB 3.0 port of the computer. Next, we need to enter Anaconda as virtual environment to conduct experimental case operations. First, open Anaconda prompt. Enter the command to enter the virtual environment. Here YunSDR is the name of the virtual environment that was previously created. The name cannot contain Chinese characters. Then enter the disk where the project files are located. Enter the
Jupyter Lab.
face of YunSDR Y230 Lab. Open the engineering file we need to operate on. Taking our ASC modulation and demodulation experiment as an example here. Firstly, a brief introduction to the experiment is provided. Next is the code module for the experiment. Click the Run button in the upper left corner or use the Shift and Enter keys to run. Enter the string to be sent. Process strings. Generate frame header. Generate start symbol. Modulation of signal domain and data domain. Splicing frame signals together. Next is the transmission and reception processing based on YunSDR hardware. Prompt open success indicates successful connection. Time domain plot and normalization processing of received signals. Detecting the starting symbol. Capture a complete data frame. Capture a frame of signal and draw a time-gun domain graph. Extract signal domain. Demodulate the signal domain. Extract verification code. Demodulate the data. Successful demodulation. Demodulate the string to YunSDR. Same as the emission string. Statistical error rate. The error rate is 0. Finally, remember to log out of the system. Prevent errors in the next run. All our ASK modulation and demodulation experiments have been completed here.